Welcome, here I've got OPPO F15 2020 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings, and now let's focus on the photo settings. Here we have photo ratio option, so when we pick this we can change the aspect ratio of this camera. Now we are in 4:3, let's pick 1 and 1 and let's go back to the camera preview. As you can see, the background has changed to the square one. This is how it looks like. When we go back to the settings in the right corner and pick the photo ratio once again, we can also change it to full screen. And in the camera preview it looks like that. So this is the full camera frame. And of course, by going again to the settings in the right corner and tapping on the photo ratio, we can easily go back to 4:3, the original one. And to remind you, this is how it looks like. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.